Okay. Wanna hold the camera?
Yeah. Hello everyone. Right now actually in one of
Not
the
so close. You have to move it far.
I'm actually in the playground.
Okay.
I'm near the playground. Daddy, help please.
Okay.
I'm actually near the playground, so
What
right
is this
now
place?
this is a lily place. Right now I can see a little bit like a coconut tree that bended. I don't know what's that. It's quite bendy. And right now we're in a great place where we're gonna have our picnic. And wait, I'm just gonna take my snacks. I also have my monster truck with me, but right now it's not good time to show because I'm quite hungry. Oh, great. Hi. Look at looking at me again. Well, got my water with me. I just have two hands over here. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So I just need to sit my bag, then I'll go back to you. But it says no fishing, but that's okay because anyway we're not here to fish. And you're gonna see my whole face because I'm gonna remove my mask. Hello. Drinking some water. No, I'm gonna open my lunchbox. Oh dear, it got so big.
Oh, you didn't bring any bread?
Yep, I didn't.
Wow. What are you eating? Hold it properly so it doesn't run,
Ham.
okay? You like it?
Mhm. I can see a butterfly just now.
Where is it?
See the floating thing on the rock?
Hmm.
The triangle there?
Oh, they're very chatting.
Hello.
They're chatting. Mhm.
Luckily, they didn't eat my food.
They didn't eat your food.
I
Yeah,
think.
because last time, oh, this bird tried to eat my food.
Yep.
Can you help me with my coffee, please?
Just my dad coffee.
Thank you, Coleen.
Getting full.
Getting full. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, anyway, it's just for me to relax. Sorry, that's a string on my shirt. They can help close, please.
Sure. I think it's close already. Oh,
Now it's time to drink water.
is it nice
Dad,
here?
yeah. Dad, can you help show them the playground? I can see a tiny bit there.
Oh. What do you want to tell about this playground?
This is actually the playground where we're going in, and this is actually a metal slide. That's funny, but there's really such a thing as metal slide. And then there's actually three slides there, I think. Yeah,
What kinds of, what kind?
metal slide. Some are, I think, plastic. Yeah. And then there's also this zigzag thing. I don't know what it's called. And there's actually this stair. It leads you to a shortcut, but it's not actually. It's actually part of the playground, not right now where we are. It's actually a playground where where we can actually um we can. There's also another section where we can get all our sea sauce from here. Yeah. And then I hope you like this picnic place because this is the only picnic place that we had, yeah. And there's a name tag on one of the trees. I wonder why.
Can you read?
Ah,
What?
it's watery.
Watery, and then move back.
It says, I don't know what it actually says here. I cannot read Ellen or something.
Next time, okay? Because it's wet.
So I'm ready to go to the picnic area. So you'll see me there. Now first I'll just check my stuff again. Hello. Hey.
But ready to go to the picnic area?
What?
You said you're ready to go to the picnic area.
I mean, I said I'm ready to go to the playing area.
Oh,
Picnic.
okay.
My dad will take care of this. Okay, so
And what will you do there?
I'm gonna play with all the kinds of stuff there. I'm also gonna play with my monster truck. I got the controller with me because otherwise you won't be able to control a monster truck. So first I'll just show you the monster truck. Wait.
I wanna try it here.
Here.
Here. The bumpy place. This bumpy place.
I'll show you how it works. First I'll just turn it on, okay?
Okay.
Guys. Yeah. It's wowie. It's super speedy, yeah. Oh,
This is a huge truck. Oh my goodness.
that's why I brought a huge plastic. Nice.
Did you turn it on? Wow.
This is
Hey, you can make it. Put it above there. Wow. You can climb. Cannot. Oh, maybe it can climb this rock. Do you think you can make it climb this rock? Just put it down, and let it climb. Cannot. Oh! Yeah, let it go back. Hey, don't go there. The water is there, okay? Let it come back.
That's cool. My monster truck is on the boat. Close now, please. I'll show you the
Try climbing that rock. No, just control it. Just control it. You don't have to grab it because you can use the remote. Hey, not so far. Hey.
Oh my god, I learned.
Hey, make it turn. There you go. Okay. Come here. Monster truck. And move it backwards. Backwards. And forwards again. Come here. Turn. Turn to the other side. No. Backwards. Backwards. Then turn to the other side. Then forward. There you go. And make it go to you. Hey, don't go there. Uh-oh. Move back. Cannot. Backwards. 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 More. Not working. Hey, don't hit the wall. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Was able to climb. Whoa. Need help, Coleen.
What?
I need help. Ay, 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 not my foot. No, 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 don't. Move back, don't, because there's water now. You cannot.
I'm ready to go to my section where I can play. Okay, turn off the camera, please.
Okay, okay. Hey, wait for me, ah.